How to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. If TikTok is not showing your videos to others, open up TikTok. If it is happening with a single video, select that particular video, tap on the three dots icon of that video and check its privacy settings. So go to privacy and make sure it is set to everyone because it could have been restricted to friends or only you. That could be the case. Second is you could have a private TikTok account. So if you have a private account, just turn off private account. Tap on the three lines from the top right and go to settings and privacy. Then go to this option called privacy and turn off private account. Then after you've done that, what you can do is, if it's still not getting views, then chances are it might not be a good content that you're posting or not that many people are interested in. So you want to make sure that it is a good post, and you can also make use of hashtags or anything that you prefer in that case. So hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.